Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Your stomach growls when not hungry due to the digestive system's housekeeping process. The growling, known as borborygmi, occurs when air and liquids move through the intestines, especially during periods without food. Sipping water or eating small snacks can usually help to reduce the noise.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.